So this is the mold we ended up using. I think it's super cute. It looks like crystals and a heart at the same time. And then you guys can also use the big one, but to be honest, it just kept breaking for me. I would recommend using white chocolate instead of the milk chocolate because the milk chocolate just melts for me personally. Then you're going to need some candy melts to drizzle your chocolate. This machine is the chocolate melting machine. You don't need it. It's not necessary. It just helps maintain it kind of like warm so that it's easy to work with. And you can honestly do it on your stove. You really don't need it. Do you like my ring? Like my Valentine ring? My nails, I just glued them on. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that you want to make sure everything that you're working with is completely dry, because if you get even a drop of water, it's going to clump up your chocolate. So make sure everything you're putting the chocolate to melt in, whether it's on your stove, is dry. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do next is I am going to build the cocoa bombs. Oh no, it broke a little bit. Oh, why? This is actually really hard to make. Like, you gotta be careful with them. Look at it. So beautiful. Okay, let's put her down. That one broke, sadly. Let's hope we have a few others that will work. Oh, another beautiful one. Okay, that one worked. Cracked a little bit, actually. Ugh. Oh. Okay guys, so I have my hot pan here. I'm gonna set it down here, and this is where I'm going to basically press on. Turn it a little bit to make the edges kind of even. So I'm just gonna melt it a little bit so that it's even. So let me move it over so you guys can see it better. So like just for like a second. This one's a little bit broken on the side there. So for now, since I only have the one mold, I'm only going to be able to make 2 of them, and you guys will see the rest after. We're gonna fill them up with the hot cocoa. Let me put this on here, and marshmallows, some sprinkles. You guys can put like other stuff in it too if you want. This is kind of like inspired by the Tropical Cake Pops. She put like Bailey's. She made a mixture with the hot cocoa and she put Bailey's. Oh, is this the broken one? Oh, I didn't want to put it in this one. This one's a little bit cracked. Shoot. Let me move this one out the way just because it has that there. So if you are an adult, you can do the Bailey's strawberries and cream. That's what she did. Now I'm gonna put some marshmallows in there. Look at these adorable like sprinkles. I want to use these for decoration, but I want to put some of these cute little hearts in there just so they can have like a cute little surprise. Maybe like another marshmallow can fit in there. And then I'm gonna bring my pan back over just so I can melt this over again and then just put it on top. Oh, and I also decided I wanted to put some of these chocolate chips in there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe just put 2 in each just to give it a little bit of chocolate flavor. Okay, so my pan is nice and hot, and I'm going to do the same thing with this again. Melt it a little bit, and then combine them. Oh my gosh! Let me get my spoon and like heat it up or something. Get a different spoon. Heat it up a little bit. So there's a little crack there, and kind of like rub it around the edges to melt that together. Can you guys see that? It's starting to melt it and fuse it together. It's just gotta add a little bit of heat to melt it. I need to do it to this piece so stuff doesn't like come out. Oh. There we go. Ooh. Oh no, honey. I need to get some extra chocolate, like this piece right here that cracked off. Put it on there. This part's pretty fused together. And you only have to do this if you have cracks or if yours isn't really completely sealing like mine is. Because I've seen other people's videos and theirs, they have some that actually just fuse together really nicely. But I don't know, if you're struggling like I am, then try this out. And there is your hot cocoa bomb. Okay, so that one is ready, all sealed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the candy melt in there. My mom was saying that you're supposed to put like coconut oil or vegetable shortening in there with the candy melt, so I'm gonna do that. She got the one that has the dual sides, so I swapped it out with the white one. And I'm gonna put red in one side and oh, I'll go over there. It kind of looks like pepperoni. It looks kind of gross. That look like a pepperoni. Red on one side, and the other side is gonna have like some pink. They're so tiny. Oh, I didn't even turn it on, so let me turn it on. Just gonna grab whatever size this is. What does this say? 1/4 teaspoon. You guys can't even see it. There you go. I'm gonna just grab this cute little thing. I don't know if that's too much. It's still in there, whatever. So we're just gonna wait for that to melt. Okay, let me check on the red one now. Oh, yes. We love to see it. Okay, so the chocolate is now at like, or the candy melt are at the perfect consistency now, or they're very runny. So I'm going to put them in a little Ziploc bag so that I can drizzle them on the Cocoa Bombs. So I also got these candy hearts I want to use to possibly decorate with some of the Cocoa Bombs. So, and if not, they'll be really cute just for like presentation and everything. So let's move this aside, and I'm going to grab the Cocoa Bombs out of the fridge. Looks like eyes. So I'm taking my Ziploc bags and I am going to fill them with the color. Let's do red first and then pink over top. What the heck? It got stuck to the spatula, so let me grab a spoon. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that for now. So you take your scissors and then you just cut the end. Okay, let's zoom in. It's dripping already. Oh Lord. So I want to do it like, okay, and then let's do it on here too. And let's put, oh wait, I'm gonna wait to put anything cute on it. What does this say? Cool. Peace. I don't know. Some of these, I gotta find one that says something cute, because these really don't. You and me. So let's go ahead and do the pink one. So let it go to the end. And then I'm gonna cut it and drizzle over here too. Oh, before I drizzle, I wanna pick out like which ones I wanna put on there with sprinkles. Because it has to be, maybe some lips would be cute. Oh, I kind of like these too. I kind of like these. These are cute. Okay, we ready? We ready? And what color lip do I want to do? Like a baby pink? Red? Red lips. Maybe some of these sprinkles. Ooh. Okay, and then, ooh, I want to do like a Cupid arrow. I have some Cupid arrows over here. Let's add some of those onto this one. Okay, and then I want to do some hearts. Oh, where are the big hearts? Oh, these are the big hearts. Let's do some little hearts. This one. I actually really like these sprinkles too. These are really cute, which will look nice. I want to make a few with this. Add one of these little pink hearts. Oh, look at it. And then I just put a lip on here. I think I need to add something over here. I don't know. What do I do? This is hard. It's harder than it looks. So I also bought these little bags that you can just like put them away in there if you wanted to, and you could just gift them to somebody, like Valentine's Day gift. And it even comes with its own little ties. You can do clear ones so they could see it better, but I thought these were cute. And you can put like cute little paper, other things like some of the candy hearts. You can put some of these in there. You can even put them in a little cupcake holder and just kind of like gift them to someone like that, or in a box. That would be really cute inside of a box as a gift too, with other things. But that's it. Get a close-up.
Can I be your homie, lover, and your friend? I know blood thicker than water, but I wanna be closer than kin. You a Barbie girl, and I'm trying to be your Ken, or the Ron to your Kim. Possible if it's possible.